Are you tired of trying every new diet and workout trend, only to lose motivation before seeing results? What if the key to unlocking your body's fat-burning potential was already sitting in your kitchen? Today, we'll uncover the real science behind how apple cider vinegar helps with weight loss, and how to use it safely and effectively. Stay tuned to the end, because I'll show you my top science-backed supplements that supercharge these results. Apple cider vinegar, or ACV, contains acetic acid, a powerful compound that helps lower blood sugar, reduce fat storage, and improve digestion. Studies show that ACV can help you feel fuller, which means you eat less and burn more. But there's a catch: you need to use it correctly. Never drink ACV straight. Always dilute 1 to 2 tablespoons in a large glass of water. You can also add a teaspoon of honey or lemon for taste. Drink it 15 to 30 minutes before meals, ideally before breakfast and dinner. This helps stabilize blood sugar and reduce appetite spikes. When your insulin levels drop, your body burns stored fat for energy. ACV supports this process by improving insulin sensitivity. Plus, its natural probiotics support gut health, which is crucial for metabolism and hormone balance. When your gut is healthy, your body naturally craves less sugar and burns more fat. Thousands of people have shared their results, losing 5 to 10 pounds in the first month, by adding ACV to their routine. But remember, ACV alone won't do all the work. It works best alongside clean eating, movement, and supplements that enhance metabolism. To boost your results naturally, here are my top 3 recommendations, all backed by real reviews and available through my affiliate links below. 1. Ecorea Lean Belly Juice, get it below. Targets fat oxidation and reduces cravings. Works synergistically with ACV for faster results. Affiliate link below. 2. Java Burn. Coffee-based metabolism booster. Enhances energy and supports fat burning all day. Affiliate link below. 3. Keto ACV Gummies. Perfect for people who dislike the vinegar taste. Combines ACV and BHB ketones for fat-burning support. Amazon affiliate link below. To sum up, apple cider vinegar works because it helps your body stabilize blood sugar, improve digestion, and naturally burn fat. But remember, real transformation comes from consistency. Start small, stay disciplined, and give your body the time it needs to reset.